Check if two arrays have at least one element in common. What's an easiest way to check whether or not two arrays have at least one element in common? Using numpy is possible, but not necessarily. The code I found so far only checks for the concrete common elements, whereas I need only to check true or false condition.
Assuming the input arrays to be A and B, you can use np.in1d with np.ini, like so. You can also use numpy's broadcasting capability, like so.
You can use any. This is short to write, but, as John has rightly pointed out, it will create a new set, B, for each element at A. The following lines would avoid that. Performance will improve if B is the largest array, compared to A.
I would go with sets.
In JavaScript. Basically, I've done what everybody has suggested here. In case you're looking for a JS solution.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.